Good morning to all the students. This lesson is for class 7th for the subject of chemistry, topic chemical change, which is covered in chapter 2, physical and chemical changes, starting on page number 20 of your textbook titled Concise Chemistry by Selena Publication, and is being submitted to you on 10th May 2021. This voice is of Mohinisha Thakur. All students may now please open page number 20 of your notebook in front of you. If all students are ready, then let us start with this chapter. All students may now please listen carefully. Chemical change. Students, let us see the following changes through the diagram which is drawn on page number 1 and 2 of the notes sent on 10th May 2021. In the first diagram, it is a raw vegetable. After heating it, it will become cooked vegetable. It is also the showing the chemical change. Now move on the second diagram. It is a wood. On burning, it will become ash. It is also showing the chemical change. In the third picture, it is a small plant. After some years, it will become a big tree. And in the last diagram, it is a raw mango, which is known as a kacha in Hindi, and it will become ripened mango after some days. So here in the above diagram, all are permanent and irreversible changes, means it cannot be reversed back. A permanent change in which new substance is formed whose chemical composition and properties are completely different from those of the original substance is called as chemical change. Now we will discuss the next topic, which is burning. So students, it is a chemical change in which a substance reacts with oxygen of air to produce a new substance called oxide with evolution of heat and light. Here you may observe that it is a magnesium ribbon. On burning, it will give heat and light, and ash which is of magnesium oxide which is of white color. It is also showing the chemical change. Similarly, when you heat the wood, it contains carbon and convert carbon dioxide and release heat and light. Means when you will react the carbon with oxygen, it will produce carbon dioxide, and when you will heat the magnesium with oxygen, it will form the magnesium oxide. Now we will discuss the topic rusting. So students, what is rusting? It is a chemical change in which iron reacts with oxygen in presence of mixture to produce a reddish brown substance called rust. In the diagram, there is a magnet. This is a magnet. When you will put the magnets in the water, then fresh iron nails are attracted to, this is the iron nails. When you will come close to magnet, then the fresh iron nails are attracted to magnet and after when you will put the magnet or when you put the iron nail in the water, after some times you will observe that the rusted nails and rust is deposited on the nails. So rusted nails are not attract to the magnet, so properties are changed. So it means that magnet attract the iron nails, but when the iron nails is mixed with water, then after some time you may observe that the rust is deposited on the iron nails. Then its property will change, that the rusted nails are not attracted to magnet. Right, students? Next we will discuss the topic which is characteristics of a chemical change. Number 1 is the change is permanent and cannot be reversed. When you will heat the paper, it will convert into ash, but ash cannot be converted back to paper. Number 2 is one or more new substances are formed. When you will heat the charcoal, it will form water vapor with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas and the black residue left in the pen. In the number 3, that the composition and properties of the original substance change. For example, when you will heat the iron, that is attracted towards magnet. When you will get this into the contact with air and water, it gets rusted iron. So rusted iron will not attract towards the magnet. Here the composition and properties of original substance has changed. In the number 4, there is an exchange of energy during a chemical change. Heat or light energy are used or given out. When you will heat the wood, it will become ash and it produces heat and light energy.